about the upcoming 6th China International Import Expo in Shanghai, the chief commercial officer of Rio Tinto, the world's largest iron ore supplier, has said that China's success is Rio Tinto's success and the Chinese market is remarkably crucial to the company.
In many ways, China's success is Rio Tinto's success. This is a market that is hugely important to a company. More than half of our revenue comes from China, and the market has become an increasingly important source of business partnerships, talent, and technology. We will continue to provide reliable, high-quality, and sustainable materials that China needs and aspires to be a partner of choice in its high-quality development agenda.
On May the 22nd this year, Rio Tinto signed a long-term collaboration memorandum with the CIIE Bureau for 2024 to 2028, becoming the first Global 500 company to sign up for the next 5 editions of the CIIE.
We're honored to be the first exhibitor to sign a 5-year cooperation agreement with the CIIE Bureau. For Rio, a long-term agreement with the CIIE reflects our commitment to deepen strategic cooperation with China.
The 6th CIIE will be held in Shanghai from November 5th to 10th. According to Barrios, Rio Tinto aims to make full use of this platform, explore development opportunities, and further strengthen its presence in the Chinese market.
It's a special year for us. Our CEO will attend CIIE this year together with our global management team. We are all looking forward to experiencing the pulse and vitality of the Chinese market in person. It is probably one of the most important events for multinational companies to attend in China, to showcase the latest products, innovations, and technologies, expand cooperation with Chinese partners, and tap into the huge potential of this vibrant market. We have been privileged to participate in China's growth story.
Since the first CIIE in 2018, Rio Tinto has actively participated as a sponsor, forum speaker, and more engaging in various ways, and has been collaborating with Chinese companies through the CIIE.